Welcome children in bio class. Today you have to study chloride shift or Hamburger phenomena. So you have to know what is the chloride shift. Children, you know in blood plasma, plenty of sodium chloride is present, and this sodium chloride dissociate form sodium ion and chloride ion. Carbon dioxide dissolve in the blood plasma and form carbonic acid. In the presence of, so this reaction of formation of carbonic acid occurs in red blood cells. So as hydrogen carbonate ion in plasma and red blood cells, 75% of carbon dioxide is transported. Carbon dioxide combined with water of plasma and form carbonic acid. This carbonic acid dissociate into hydrogen ion and hydrogen carbonate ion. This reaction is catalyzed. So there see it is the formation of this water dissolve in the water, carbon dioxide dissolve in water and form carbonic acid, that is H2CO3. This reaction is catalyzed by the enzyme carbonic anhydrase. This carbonic acid further will dissociate and produce hydrogen ion and bicarbonate ion. This bicarbonate ion move out of red blood cells. So this is the red blood cells. From the red blood cells, bicarbonate ion, that is hydrogen carbonate ion, move out. And when it will move out from the red blood cells, it will come in the plasma. In plasma, it combines with sodium ion and form sodium chloride. So when hydrogen carbonate ion move out of red blood cells into the plasma, then negatively charged chloride ion from the plasma move into the red blood cells, because one negative ion, hydrogen carbonate ion, is moving out into the plasma from the red blood cells. Then another negative ion, that is the chloride ion, move into the red blood cells from the plasma. Why this is? To maintain the electrolyte equilibrium. So for maintaining electrolyte equilibrium, chloride ion have to move into the red blood cells. So this is called chloride shift, and this phenomena was studied by Hamburger. Therefore, it is also known as Hamburger phenomena. The hydrogen ions are buffered by hemoglobin inside the cell, whereas the hydrogen carbonate ion combine with sodium ion in the plasma and form sodium hydrogen carbonate, and in this form it is transported in the blood. Therefore, I told nearly 70% of carbon dioxide is transported as hydrogen carbonate. Children, the hydrogen carbonate ion is converted back into carbon dioxide. The phenomena is known as reverse chloride shift. So, in the reverse chloride shift, from the hydrogen carbonate, carbon dioxide will release, and chloride ion from the red blood cells again move into the plasma.